Oh, look at this. We got one of them, Royal Ball. Look at all this. All that. That's for Sweetheart Nights. There's also a bunch of these little extra little things out here. Oh, it looks like Agrabah. But it looks like a little Agrabah. Anything. That's cute, huh? Little Agrabah. Stuff for Sweetheart's Nights. I was thinking we could do that. Oh, look it. It's the boat from Rapunzel. How cute is this? It says 2 of them. Oop. There you go. So this is what they're gonna have. So it looks like you'll be in the boat from Tangled. Super cute. There's 2 of them. It's the lanterns back here. Super cute. What we have here. Super duper cute. All right, let's go see if we can find more. You just have these like cute, easy ones. Even has like the carpet. Look, it's got the carpet from Aladdin. Is that cute? That is just if you're like, wow, these lights look nice. Yes, that's because Disney puts up extra little things like that for these events. I'm really excited to bring Jen here next year. Look how pretty. Look how regal. Oh, look it! It's a baboon now. So we got Bruna. Thank you, Troy. These are the first things. It's from Luca. So that's from Luca. They had something similar to that before. So that's another photo op, guys. Thank you for the like and welcome. We just saw another photo op. So that's 4 photo ops we've seen. That's great. We're gonna actually have on this. I'm gonna be able to tag some. This is gonna be a good Sweetheart Night one then. It won't be fully done, but like whatever. Hello. Subs are so pretty at night. I guess it is just Disney. This is like such a Disney moment. You have this beautiful background, just everything going so great. I've got the Matterhorn behind me. I've got a submarine in front of me. There's a space mountain right on my right hand side. Oh, it's fish. It's from Little Mermaid. It's the fish. That's where it is. From Kiss the Girl. Come on and kiss the girl. See the ducks here.
Where are you? Which one?
Super cool. Is it Herbie? It is Herbie. That's awesome. I've always wanted to get a picture of Herbie. And like, there he is. It's right there, Herbie and up. He just looks like amazing. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna work. Give me 1 second, everyone. I have no idea if that's gonna be a good photo, but that's Herbie. I've always wanted a photo. I used to watch those movies. Those movies used to be on late at night on the Disney Channel. I used to watch those all the time. They were amazing, but they were fun. So Herbie meet and greet right here.